Hi, welcome to Programmatic YouTube channel. So in this series we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel. So what Microsoft Excel actually is? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program which is used to record and analyze some numerical data. It can work on Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS. Now let's come to the next topic, which is why you should learn Microsoft Excel, or what is the importance of Microsoft Excel. So number one is graphing. That means this package plays a very important role in graphing, that it has the ability to produce a variety of different charts which may be used different departments to represent statistical data in more visual way. Number two is data organization. Data in raw, which is unprocessed information which needs to be stored in a systematic and organized manner. To achieve this efficiency, one needs the Microsoft Excel. Excel gives the user ability to set up tables which can organize their data and provide updating keys too. And in number three is programming. When it comes to a programming language, you can find that MS Excel supports almost all the programming language applications used in creating which create macros. This makes it easy to solve the complex functions, thus increasing the efficiency in programming. To know about Microsoft Excel, follow my all the tutorials, and I will make my videos short that you can find your topics easily, and you can search it easily, and you can easily understand this. And if you have any queries, any questions related to any kind of programming and Microsoft Excel, please comment in the comment section down below. I will reply within an hour. So I will meet you in the next. That's all for today.